Our so-called normal or average temperatures are derived.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us this Thursday, January 16, 2025, for our routine weekly briefing for Central North Carolina. This will cover today through Wednesday, January 22nd. And we got a lot going on, so let's get right to it. First off, we have dry with near normal temperatures today through Saturday. Then rain Saturday morning will begin in the northwest Piedmont and kind of spread south and east across the region throughout the day. Then rain and snow mix is possible along the Virginia and North Carolina border Sunday, early evening, late afternoon. The rain will transition to snow before coming to an end late Sunday night across the northeast Piedmont and northern coastal plain. Some areas may see more snow, some areas may see like a rain snow mix, but this is again Sunday night as that cold air pushes in. Dangerously cold temperatures are expected then Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with long-lasting sub-freezing temperatures for multiple days across the region. It's going to be the coldest air of the season Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Tuesday, I'm sorry, is the all-time record low temperature for -9 degrees occurring January 21st, 1985 at RDU. Now, we won't be anywhere near that record temperature, but it just happens that we're going to be dangerously cold temperatures, and it's also going to be the coldest with the coldest record for Raleigh Durham Airport. And then after that, we have another weather system that's expected to bring a chance of wintry precip Tuesday and Wednesday. So with a cold air in the area, this may be one to watch. Stay tuned, especially if you are a snow lover. All right, so today we are expecting gusty winds. Here's a map of our max gust winds in mile per hour today. You can see winds are, generally expected to be 30, 35. So really you'll see frequent gusts of 20 to 30 this afternoon with infrequent gusts up to 35. The strongest gusts are expected to be seen in the northwest Piedmont region, and later this evening, winds are expected to diminish. As I mentioned earlier, cold temperatures are expected next week. So the top 3 graphics are high temperatures for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You see these are high temperatures. You will see high temperatures in the 20s for much of the area on Tuesday and Wednesday, and low 30s. Much of the area, maybe a few isolated spots, may get to freezing. So it's going to be very, very cold for 72 hours. The bottom 3 graphics are low temperatures. So these are temperatures Monday night, Tuesday night, and Wednesday. And you can see a few single-digit low temperatures Tuesday night. And we can't forget that these are just low temperatures. We're going to see apparent temperatures, or I should say wind chill temperatures, in the single digits Monday and Tuesday morning. So it's going to be very cold, dangerously cold on these nights. So start getting prepared now because it's going to be very cold. Then here is a probability snowfall graphic for 24-hour probability of snowfall greater than or equal to 1/10 of an inch. So this is a 24-hour period ending Monday morning. So this is Sunday morning through Monday morning. So remember I said it's going to start off as rain and end as snow. As you can see, areas along the Virginia and North Carolina border, you got 56% in Norlena area, 53% in Henderson. This is, seeing measurable amount of snow. If you go down to Fayetteville, there's only an 8% chance that you'll see measurable snow in Fayetteville over this 24-hour period. With this, no severe thunderstorms for the next 8 days, and for the cumulative precip forecast, we will see that weather system bring some rain on Saturday and Sunday, and then again, this is the 5-day total, so less than ½ an inch for much of the area. With that, less than half an inch isn't going to do much flooding, so no flooding expected and no excessive rainfall. So no excessive rainfall. Though this is the newest North Carolina drought update, the main takeaway is that the moderate drought, or the D1, has inched slightly westward, while the severe drought, or D2, has emerged for the first time this season in parts of eastern North Carolina in these darker orange areas near the Outer Banks and the southeast region. So we're seeing, some rain is likely Saturday ahead of a cold front, but totals again will be limited, so we probably won't see much change. More temperature and precipitation outlook. So this is a 6 to 10 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. As you can see, there is a big blue blob on much of eastern United States, stretching from New York all the way down to Texas, for an 80 to 90% chance for well below normal temperatures in for the area. And North Carolina is included in that area, that whole entire North Carolina. So normal temperatures for, January 21st to the 25th are anywhere in the upper 40s to low 50s for highs and low 30s for lows. Precipitation for January 21st to 25th is going to be near or slightly above normal for precipitation. As our normal graphic, our 8 to 14 day graphic, which covers the latter half of January, which is January 23rd to 29th, is going to be about 50 to 60%, maybe some areas in the western North Carolina, 60 to 70% chance of below normal temperatures, and then slightly above normal for precipitation. Here is our experimental graphical hazardous weather outlook. As you can see today, highlighted with the wind for the wind gusts, which we have some low relative humidity. So there is some areas, some little tiny areas for fire weather concern. But as you can see, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we have elevated to significant concern for excessive cold. And wrapping up, so again, near normal temperatures today through Saturday, with dry today and tomorrow. The rain will begin Saturday morning, probably exiting the region Sunday evening along the Virginia-North Carolina border Sunday night, and then another weather system expected to bring a chance of wintry precip Tuesday, Wednesday. We have to keep a close watch on that depending on where the track takes that low pressure system. The main hazard and concern is going to be those cold temperatures Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with the long-lasting sub-freezing temperatures. We're talking multiple days of below 32 degrees across the entire region. That is all I have for today. Thank you for joining.